Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove and replace the rear differential oil along with the front transfer case oil and also the manual transmission oil from any Nissan QASHQAI made after the year 2006 and up. This program, which I'm showing you all right here on the screen, is called HOWTODO Data, and the way to use it, you have to take the vehicle infos, you have to put them into the program, and it will give you all the information about how to fix the car, what oil you have to use for the engine, for the manual transmission or other parts from the vehicle. It will show you also what quantity to use and what type of oil you'll have to use for the vehicle. So in my case, for example, I have this Nissan QASHQAI from the year 2011 with the engine 1.6 DCI engine, and this vehicle, it's an all-wheel drive vehicle, so it will have the rear differential, the front transfer case and also the manual transmission. And if your vehicle, it's only a front wheel drive vehicle, this is meaning that it will not have the transfer case and also the rear differential, so this is very good for you, don't worry about it, just replace the oil from the manual transmission and your job will be done. And in my case, because this vehicle is an all-wheel drive vehicle, this is meaning that I'll have to replace the oil from the manual transmission, from the transfer case and also from the rear differential. With all of these things being said, let's get right into the job. Right here on the right side, this is the manual transmission on this kind of vehicle. This one from right here, it is the drain plug bolt, which you have to remove completely to drain all the oil from the gearbox. Then on the right side, up there on the gearbox, it will be the filling plug bolt. I'm going to show you all in a few seconds, the location exactly. Right here, this is the transfer box, and the drain plug bolt from the transfer box is this one. And right here then, next to the axle, you'll have to look for the filling plug bolt, which you'll have to remove completely to fill up the transfer box. And as you can see, this one from right here, it is the filling plug bolt. And every time you are working with manual transmissions, with the transfer boxes or with differentials, my recommendation is to always remove first the filling plug bolt, and only if the filling plug bolt is coming out, you'll have to go ahead and remove the drain plug bolt. There is nothing worse than removing the drain plug bolt first and then seeing that the filling plug bolt is not coming out, and in this way you are not able to put back the oil into the part you're working on. So my recommendation is to always remove first the filling plug bolt, then the drain plug bolt, and in this way the job will be done properly and correctly like it's supposed to be done. Right here in my case, the first thing which I'm going to show you all how to do, it's how to completely remove and replace the oil from the transfer box. And like I just said, I'm removing first the filling plug bolt, then I'm going to remove the drain plug bolt. I'm going to wait for all the oil to completely drain out from the transfer box. Then I'm going to put back the drain plug bolt, I'm going to tighten it to spec, and then I'm going to fill out the transfer box with brand new oil until the oil will leak out from the filling plug hole. After that, when the oil is leaking out, you'll have to put back the filling plug bolt and tighten it to spec. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the old oil from the transfer box is completely drained out from it. I also installed back the drain plug bolt and I tied it to spec, and from this moment the next thing which I'm going to do is to take the brand new oil. I'm going to use this syringe to take the oil from the bottle and to push it back into the transfer box. And in my case, I'm going to use this syringe to put enough oil into the transfer box, and when I will see that the oil is leaking out from the transfer box from the filling plug hole, this is meaning that the correct amount of oil has been reached, and I'll have to put back the filling plug bolt and I will have to tighten it to spec, and then the job will be done. Right here in my case, the oil is leaking out from the transfer box and from the filling plug hole, so this is meaning that the correct amount of oil has been installed into the transfer box. And from this moment, I'm going to install back the filling plug bolt, I'm going to tighten it to spec, and then I'm going to proceed and showing you all how to remove completely the oil from the manual transmission on this kind of vehicle. Alright everybody, moving forward with the job, the next thing which you have to do, if you want to completely remove and replace the gearbox oil or the manual transmission oil from this kind of vehicle, you have to remove the driver's side wheel completely out from the vehicle. You have to make sure that the vehicle is straight on the surface. And right here, you have to remove the drain plug bolt, and also don't forget to remove first the filling plug bolt, which is situated right here on the side of the gearbox. Okay guys, so in my case, the oil from the manual transmission is completely drained out. I already installed back the drain plug bolt, I tied it to spec, and from this moment I'm going to take this brand new oil, which is made by ELF, specially made for manual transmissions. I'm going to use my syringe and I'm going to put back the brand new oil into the gearbox. Very good everybody, so in my case I'm done with completely replacing the transfer box oil and also the manual transmission oil from start to finish. It's a very easy and straightforward job to do. It can be done by anyone and everywhere. From this moment, the next thing which I'm going to do is to go on the rear side and I'm going to follow the exact same procedure to replace completely the differential oil on the rear side. Right here on the rear side, the drain plug bolt is located right here on the bottom side on the differential. This one right here, it is the drain plug bolt, and right here at the top, just about 3 centimeters at the top, you'll have the filling plug bolt, which you'll have to remove first, and then you'll have to remove the drain plug bolt. You'll have to drain all the oil put brand new oil inside, and then tight everything back to spec. Alright everybody, in my case the job is done and complete 100%. Those are all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to completely remove any place, the manual transmission oil, the transfer box oil, and also the rear differential oil on any Nissan QASHQAI J10 AWD. Doesn't matter exactly which year it is or which engine type it has. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.